Get the phone.
So what's the story behind using a typewriter to make the labels?
So they look like a label. Otherwise, it's got to be handwritten. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, I've just noticed that over the years, nothing has changed or advanced.
I like using a typewriter. It's easy. It looks neat. Professional. Okay, just like that. Okay. Gonna look at that. What we did here. Boom.
So you never thought about just printing them out with a computer?
No. No.
You'd rather type each label individually?
I don't type each one individually. I type it in once and just hit print and it prints them all.
Oh. I didn't know it had a copy paste feature.
Well, watch. You have to push 12. Boom, 12. Okay. Oh, yeah. Here. Go to 1. The date. 3/4/22. 3/4/22. HOT. SP. Oops. SPICY. SALT. Return now. Scotch bonnet peppers. Most you have another peppers. Garlic powder, salt. I'm done. Where'd you go?
Here. I was just getting some chips.
That's why I do all that. I just hit the button. It does it by itself. You want another one? Of course, you just go up like that. That's all right. Something right here. Okay. That's print. While I want print, here's my label. I guess I want number 3. Damn it. Fuck. It's all right. Let's see, what did I do? Need to change that. Number 1. Erase. Yes. File 3. Need to edit. No. 3.
So that's not your original typewriter, is it? That's one you got later. That's the same model?
It's, yeah, exactly. I got this one for $8.
How often do you have to replace the ink ribbon?
Not very often.
Surprised you can find them.
You can find anything on Amazon.
Yeah.
Let's see. Fuck this shit. File 3. Erase, yes. Start over again. One.
Do we still have that other typewriter?
Yeah.
That's completely manual, where the bars swing with the letters and everything?
It's on the table somewhere.
Yeah.
Covered up with black, buried in well. Yeah, I think
It's
so.
like 50 something pounds. It's
Uh-huh.
like solid metal.
It's got to be 100 years old.
Yeah. I love that thing.
I think the return, the thing that makes the carriage move is broke. It's like a spring with a ribbon that pulls the carriage across. That's got to be replaced. Other than that, it's there. It's complete and it's whole.
Yeah, it always intrigued me because of how impractical it is. Like if you even type two letters at the same time, they hit each other.
Yeah.
So you have to hit each letter and wait.
You have a calamity. Just stick it,
Yeah.
reach out and pull them down again.
Uh-huh.
It's like a oh no. I learned how to type on one of those things.
Yeah.
I don't even know if I still have it. I think it's still down there on the table. Scotch bonnet peppers.
Yeah, I think we still have it. Just because why would anyone throw it out?
Roasted habanero peppers. Quarter pat of salt.
Also, I'm not sure if that typewriter can erase.
Which one?
The older one? The one that's all manual?
You can't. It doesn't erase at all.
So there can't be any mistakes at all.
Otherwise, you take a eraser and erase it, and then you go back and type over it.
Yeah.
Like this one, you can just hit correct, and it's got a correction ribbon in there.
It's just such a hassle. Like, even if you erased it, just getting the paper to be in the exact spot so the sentence continues.
Not gonna happen.
No, you've just got to be flawless.
Yeah. Or you can backspace and take a piece of correction tape and stick it in there with the key behind the ribbon, and it'll either cover up the ink or remove it. This one will remove it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like I can type a letter. That's one. Two. You start frontwards and backwards. Okay, let's got to start. Hit one on one and press. Not too shabby, huh?
Plus, it's fun working on equipment rather than at a computer screen where you spend the rest of the day, you know?
Yeah.
It's fun pushing buttons, watching things move.
And if you make a mistake, you can always, you can't hit a backspace. Like, that's no good, that's no good, that's no good, that's no good. Well, whatever. I'm gonna have to get some more.